Want to rig eyes easily in Blender? Let's get started. First, press Shift plus A and add a single bone. Press G plus Z and move it along the Z axis. Now select the left eye, press Shift plus S and choose Cursor to Selected. Press Shift plus A again and add another bone. Switch to wireframe mode and press S to scale it slightly. Press numpad 3 for side view. Then rotate it by pressing R plus 90 plus X. Now press Shift plus D to duplicate the bone. Then press G plus Y to move it slightly along the Y axis. Select all 3 bones and press Ctrl plus J to join them. Go to Edit mode. Select the 2 eye bones, then select the head bone last. Press Ctrl plus P and choose Keep Offset. Now let's rename them. Select the head bone, press F2 and name it Head. Select the left eye bone and name it I.L. Select the controller bone and name it iController.L. Switch to pose mode. Select the controller bone first, then the eye bone. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus C and choose Damped Track. Now when you move the controller bone, the eye will follow it. Go back to Edit mode. Select the eye bones, right-click, and choose Symmetrize to create the right eye automatically. Now select both controller bones, press Shift plus S, and choose Cursor to Selected. Press Shift plus A to add a new bone. Press numpad 3 for side view, then scale it slightly. Press F2 and name this bone Main Controller. Select both eye controller bones, then select the main controller last. Press Ctrl plus P and choose Keep Offset. Now it's time to connect the eyes. In Object mode, select the left eye, then the armature. Switch to Pose mode, select the left eye bone, press Ctrl plus P, and choose Parent to Bone. Do the same for the right eye. Finally, switch to Rendered View and move the controllers, boom. Your eyes now follow perfectly with smooth control. Follow for more Blender tips.